As a new YouTuber, the most important thing besides your video is going to be your video title. And YouTube Creator AI helps you with that. Come here to the video title generator and you can put in a few keywords or what your video is about. So this is an example day in the life of a college student. We're going to generate titles. So you can prompt this for whatever your video topic is, whatever you're creating videos about, and it's going to give you 5 optimized titles for your YouTube video. And these are going to be optimized for all viewing devices. So here are 5 titles here, and it's going to rank them. It's going to tell you first why this title works, and it's going to rank it with some stars here. So 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. So kind of based on what your video is about and what you're covering, you can choose a specific title here. So this is the best title rank, A Day in Life of A Day in My Life College Student Grind. This is a great title for YouTube, and you can copy this title and use it right for your YouTube video. Or if you want to compare a couple titles, you can compare this title here and maybe this title here, and then come down to our testing lab and you can compare both of those titles. So obviously for YouTube, it's mostly important to have a great video, but if you're a new YouTuber and you don't have a lot of discoverability or a lot of people watching yet, you want to be sure that you have an optimized title, so it'll help with, first of all, people searching, and then for YouTube to know what your video is about. So in this title showdown, we have both of these titles. It gives us an analysis of title A, tells us the pros and cons, and analysis of title B, the pros and cons. And this is the expert recommendation, College Life in 2025, My Realistic Day. And up here, this was one of the titles, and it wasn't the top one, but it starts with college life, so this is a great title here. So check it out, youtubecreatorai.com. It's totally free.